mind, don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind. Why not? Would I leave if you were everything I wanted? Hey loves, it's Juicy Nancy here, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this blue hair color. It's fire. It's so cute. Anyway, yeah, so I used about 7 different hair dyes to get this color. I'm gonna show you guys like everything. It was actually hard to film me coloring it because I was in a new setup and it was just like really uncomfortable, but yeah, you know, this is the end result. Watch the rest of the video to see how I achieved this hair color, the colors I used, what I did, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other colors you guys want me to do or what different styles you guys want me to do, because I'm here for it. So let me know. Here are the colors that I used to achieve the look, and honestly I didn't only use 4 bottles of the coloring. I used about 8, and I did not buy 2 of each. I actually forgot how many bottles of each color I bought, but those are the colors that were used to achieve the look. So as you can see here, I parted the hair into sections to make it easier for me to, you know, dye the hair without struggling, you know. And I did dye the frontal first just because I wanted the color to deposit more in the front. And, you know, I worked my way in the back after that. And don't mind that little spot on the lace. I washed it out. I have the like tricks and techniques, you know, to get the color out the lace. So yeah, you'll see. You guys will see. You to be when I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies, nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you.
wanted you to be. When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go, or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong.
Okay, so now that the hair dye is all through the hair, like I said before, I used 7 to 8 bottles, so I made sure that the hair was drenched in hair dye. I wanted to make sure that the color was really saturated in there. So yeah, I'm about to wash out the hair dye now, and we'll blow dry it and see how it looks. So now the hair is washed and conditioned, and I'm just blow drying it. And like I said, I was gonna take care of that dye that got on the lace, and it is out of the lace. Y'all, get into this hairline though. I ain't even customized the wig yet, and it's already looking good like that. So customizing it is gonna be pretty easy.
You to be. When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go, or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you.
Y'all, the hair is fully dried and it looks so bomb and full. Like, look at that luster. I love it. Look at the volume. Like, the hair just looks so bomb. The color, everything. Like, it's evenly distributed throughout the hair. No patches, no uneven color tones. Like, it's just bomb. Look at my hand snaps. So now this is after I flat ironed it and customized it. I plucked it a little more just to give it a more natural hairline than it already had. I parted it, and just look at that hair. It's so silky, pretty. It just looks so bomb. Like, I love it. So this is like 2 to 3 days later after I've been wearing the wig. I decided to come on here and show you guys the process of like flat ironing it after it's been like in a wavy state. You know, I slept on it and all that. So yeah, I just decided to come on and flat iron it so y'all could see the difference.
You to be. When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go, or do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally you on my mind. You again, why'd you call? I don't need to hear you crying out my name. And like before, when you and I lay eye to eye, now it's time for you to taste the bitter end. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame?
Please take a look at this luster. Like, the flow that this hair has after it's been colored is amazing. Like, it just looks so silky, and I love that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.